Most travel gadgets are forgettable, but some, you use them once and they permanently stay in your bag. I'm talking about gadgets that fold, shrink, and disappear, but solve problems you deal with every single trip. Here are 12 foldable travel gadgets you've probably never seen before. Let's start with a foldable carry solution that feels more like protection than a bag. Ogon designs sling bag and wallet. Instead of soft fabric, this uses a hard aluminum shell, so your phone is actually protected from pressure, drops, and scratches while you're moving. And here's the smart part, you don't even take your phone out. It opens at 90 degrees so you can check maps, scan tickets, or reply to messages right inside the sling. Everything stays organized, phone on one side, essentials on the other, with a removable wallet so you can switch from full carry to minimal mode in seconds. Once you use this, regular bags start to feel outdated. Our second foldable essential is the Qi charging station, a single, compact hub that replaces your entire charging setup. With one fold, it powers your phone, AirPods, and smartwatch all at the same time. And it's quick. It supports up to 25-watt fast charging, which is faster than most wireless chargers you'll find. The best part is the design. Folded, it's flat and slim, like a wallet. Open it up, and it turns into a clean, minimal charging stand that actually looks premium. Plus, it's a complete kit. You get the adapter, the cable, everything you need in the box. If your bag is full of cables right now, this is probably the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Next up is the Omni foldable toothbrush, literally the size of a credit card when folded. Flip it open and it turns into a full-size toothbrush. Hidden inside is a built-in UVC sterilizer that cleans the bristles in just 30 seconds. So it's not just compact, it's actually more hygienic than most travel toothbrushes. It's waterproof, USB-C rechargeable, and uses replaceable brush heads, so you're not throwing it away after a few trips. This is what smart travel looks like, something that folds down to almost nothing but seriously upgrades an item you use every single day. Our next foldable gadget is the Air Zero foldable Bluetooth mouse. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than a flat slab, but fold it and in under a second, it transforms into a full-size mouse. It's ultra-thin, lightweight, and designed with a triangular structure that keeps it both stable and comfortable to use. And here's the surprise, it lasts up to 3 months on a single charge. You also get silent clicks, perfect for cafes, flights, or shared workspaces. If you travel with a laptop, this saves valuable space without giving up comfort. After you've used something this compact, regular mice start to feel unnecessarily bulky. At number 5, meet these foldable travel hangers with a redesigned ultra-compact form. They fold down to about the size of your phone, yet still support up to 6 kilograms. Open them up and they become full-sized, sturdy hangers that can handle heavier pieces like jeans, jackets, or hoodies. Their standout feature is the dual-mode design. Use them half open for smaller garments, t-shirts, kids' clothes, or delicates, or fully extended for your regular outfits. If you're used to wrinkled clothes or flimsy hotel hangers when you travel, these foldable hangers turn out to be far more useful than you expect. Our next foldable travel gadget is the Sodi laptop stand, an aluminum stand that folds down small enough to slip into your pocket, then opens up into a stable, adjustable laptop riser. You get multiple height settings to bring your screen up to eye level, cutting down on neck strain during long sessions. The open design improves airflow, so your laptop stays cooler and performs better. Despite its lightweight build, it's impressively sturdy, with non-slip pads that keep it locked in place. If you work remotely or travel a lot with a laptop, this is one of those upgrades you notice the second you start using it. At number 7, meet the Miku packable backpack. It starts as a compact pouch that slips into any corner of your luggage, but once opened, it expands into a full 35-liter backpack with enough room for clothes, daily essentials, or a full day's worth of gear. A dedicated wet-dry pocket keeps damp clothes or gear separate from the rest of your belongings. Even though it's lightweight, it's built from durable, water-resistant fabric with reinforced stitching and strong zippers, so it's made for real travel, not just occasional use. And when you're done, it packs back down into a tiny pouch that barely takes up space in your main bag. Moving on to Vigorport Luggage Travel Cup Holder, our next foldable gear. It starts as a flat, foldable piece that slips easily into your bag, but once you attach it to your suitcase handle, it completely changes how you move through the airport. It securely holds up to 2 drinks at once, coffee, water, or anything you're carrying, so your hands stay free. There's also an extra pocket for essentials like your phone, passport, or boarding pass, keeping everything within easy reach. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly useful. And after one trip with it, you'll notice every time you don't have it. Our next foldable travel support is the Seat Sleeper Travel Pillow Alternative. Instead of supporting your neck like traditional pillows, it supports your head from the front. It attaches securely to the seat's headrest and gently holds your head in place, keeping it stable while you rest. The padded front section also doubles as a sleep mask, helping block out light for a more comfortable experience. It's adjustable to fit different seats and positions, making it useful on flights or even long car rides. And when you're done, it folds down small enough to fit in your pocket. If you cook while traveling, or even just measure coffee or supplements, the Polygon's folding measuring spoon is a must-have. Folded, it lies completely flat, so it disappears into a backpack pocket or kitchen drawer. Unfolded, and it snaps into multiple precise measurements, covering everything from teaspoons to tablespoons in a single tool. Cleanup is simple, and the built-in magnets let it stick to metal surfaces, so it's always within reach. It's one of those small upgrades that cuts down clutter in your travel kit. For travelers who cook, meal prep, or track nutrition, this tiny tool delivers huge utility. Next up, we have the Tripole Travel Fan. Traveling in hot weather can drain your energy faster than anything else. This is one of those small things that makes a big difference. It folds down into a compact size that's easy to carry in your bag, but once you open it, it becomes a powerful cooling tool you can use in multiple ways, handheld, on a desk, or even worn around your neck. It doesn't just push air, it features a built-in cooling plate that drops temperature instantly when it touches your skin, giving quick relief from heat. With multiple speed levels and up to 12 hours of battery life, it's built for long travel days. If you create content while traveling, this foldable gimbal stabilizer is a must-have. It supports larger smartphones, includes AI face tracking, gesture control, and creative modes like motion time-lapse, so you can capture moments without constantly adjusting your setup. It folds down into a compact size, so it fits easily into your bag without taking up space. But once you open it, it transforms your phone into a stabilized camera, keeping your shots smooth and steady wherever you go. The controls are intuitive, and the battery lasts up to 10 hours, making it reliable for full travel days. So, those were 12 foldable travel gadgets that make packing smarter, not bigger. All the links are in the description below. And if you want to see some hidden Amazon travel finds, check out the next video.